The heat signatures on the thermal show 2 adults near the north fence.
Are they the ones we tagged last month?
The analytics show a slight decrease in activity.
I'm optimizing the nutrient delivery system now.
Vitals are stable, we can proceed.
Confirmed. All right, keep the pressure up on that spray.
Watch your step coming down. We've got the ramp clear now. Keep the pressure steady.
Easy now, keep moving. Stay to the left, walk on.
Steady pace, straight ahead. Careful now, onto the sand.
The hydration levels are stable at 70%.
That's within the optimal range. We can proceed with the new enrichment schedule.
The hydration levels are at 70%.
Should we adjust the misting schedule?
No, let's stick to the plan and see how she responds to the increased foliage.
Movement seems good today. Record the gait analysis.
Dorsal stripe looks clear. No inflammation noted.
The fiber analysis on this batch looks promising. Hey,
Yes, cross-reference it with the Orotec levels.
Make sure this batch is labeled Dextec.
got it. The moisture levels look consistent with the CASDA samples.
We need to clear this section by the afternoon.
All right, we'll focus on the lower branches first. We monitor their weight daily using the scales under the sand. It helps us adjust their diet.
You are such a good girl, yes you are. It's okay.
Heart rate is steady and the ultrasound looks clear.
Good.
Let's move her to the automated wash bay.
Gently touch the target. That's it, well done.
Very good. Here you are, nice and gentle now.
Good girl, here's another one for you. Bring her over to stall 3.
Easy now, right this way. Okay, let's get your weight. Stand still for me. The biometrics on Unit 7 are stable.
Good. Let's cross-reference with the migration patterns.
Proximity alert on the juveniles is spiking right here.
I see that. It looks like they are approaching the restricted zone faster than anticipated.
The new enclosure seems ready. The Bobcat is moving the last load now.
Good girl, open up.
He's excited for the carrots.
Let's check the hay levels in the back.
Look at the fluctuation here. The pressure spiked right after the last log was moved.
Yes, but the gauge readings suggest the system stabilized quickly.
The herd's vitals look stable. Let's check the enclosure systems.
All right, easy on the hoist. Keep it clear of the herd's path.
Adjusting camera 2 feed.
Acknowledged. Data stream indicates low stress levels.
As you can see from the telemetry data, her stress levels have remained low since the transfer. The red line indicates heart rate.
The green line indicates a steady improvement in their sleep patterns since we moved them here. The orange shows the previous week.
The heart rate monitor shows a slight elevation here.
Is that consistent with the new feeding schedule? All right, everyone, moving along to Sector 4 now.
Analysis confirms the required caloric intake.
Recording the data now. The thermal scan shows us healthy circulation.
The data from this year's review clearly demonstrates the success of the elephant relocation program. Everything looks good, nice and calm.
If we look at the Xenos feed projection here, we can optimize the intake schedule.
Are the readings stable?
Yes, the 3D rendering of the vertebra is aligning perfectly.
As you can see in the resource budget, the overall cost per elephant is down significantly. If we maintain
Forward now, easy.
Good job, let's keep it steady.
Thermal imaging shows slightly elevated temperatures here.
Is that consistent with the previous scans?
Yes, the data aligns with the historical averages. The fiber analysis shows optimal levels here. See the reading on the screen.
Yes, very consistent. As you can see on the screen here, the nutrient breakdown is optimal for the elephant.
Yes, these samples align perfectly with the requirements.
Data stream confirms optimal nutrient delivery.
We need to monitor the flow rate here to ensure even distribution.
And check the moisture levels on this section.
We need to monitor the moisture levels right here.
Okay, I see the hot spot you mentioned.
The Sanimax blend seems highly palatable.
And the vitals are stable.
The Matriarch seems to be favoring her left side today.
Yes, I've logged that. Movement is slightly restricted, but appetite is good.
We need to ensure they are all getting equal access to the feed.
The new station seems to be working well, and I'll log the data now. Try some more of the hay, you need a fiber.
All right, logging this as sample C, significant parasite evidence.
This area here shows significant improvement since the last scan.
Good girl, just a little pinch for your vitamins.
Okay, just a little further up the trunk. Nice and steady now.
Heart rate is stable at 45. Keep monitoring the respiration.
Right. I'm logging the tissue color now.
Administering the booster now.
Noted. The patient is responding well.
There you go, sweetie. You're doing so well.
Almost done with the spray here, looking good.
She's favoring the left foreleg. The data confirms it.
We should adjust the route and check her foot again.
The enzyme count is slightly elevated here.
Pacing looks good. Heart rate steady at 45.
All right, easy now. Let's move forward.
The herd is approaching the northern boundary. Prepare the drone for launch.
We need to ensure the calibration is precise before we proceed with the next phase of the study.
The heart rate is spiking. We need to move.
I'm right behind you. Open the gate.
The hormone levels spiked sharply here, indicating the onset of the cycle.
And the behavioral data confirms it.
Easy now, keep moving straight ahead.
That's a good girl, right this way.
Head up, keep moving.
The optimal breeding window metrics are holding steady.
You're doing so well, little one. Nice and steady now.
That's it, follow me. Good job, sweethearts. Almost time to rest under the warm light.
Easy now, you're doing so well.
The scan looks clear on the left side. Let's check the right.
Vitals look strong now.
All right, come on up here. Let's get some food.
Here you go, good reach.
That's it, touch the target. Very good.
Trunk up. Good reach. That was a clean take. Hold it steady right there. The reading is exactly 115.
Noted.
We're seeing a steady increase here on the weight chart.
Keep it moving now, plenty of space ahead.
The movement patterns correlate directly with the temperature spikes.
Confirmed. The herd is moving earlier in the day now.
Their health indicators are strong, particularly the juveniles near the watering hole.
Monitor the cluster near the river crossing point. Their pace has increased significantly over the last hour.
The northern herd is moving faster than anticipated. We have 3 reds transitioning to green near the river crossing.
The herd at pond 4 seems stable. The red markers are staying grouped.
Affirmative. I'll keep the drone orbiting at 200 feet.
They're approaching the watering hole now. Keep the altitude steady.
All right, easy now, watch your step. Clear the path by the forklift. All right, easy back. Watch your step, keep moving through.
All right, big girl, nice and slow. Watch the edge there.
It's such a beautiful day out here.
Yes, and the herd seems very calm today.
Rerouting power to sector gamma.
All right, easy now. The readings are optimal.
Data looks stable, consistent with last month.
All right, girls, let's go. Move through the gate.